Getting started with a new program is always difficult. So today we're going to open up Sway and look at the different templates and options to help you create your presentations. Our first option is always a clean blank Sway, but we also have a new option with Microsoft to upload previously made materials to create a template to start from. So I'm going to upload this particular document, and you can see what Sway does to make it interactive. So this is a great way to take things that you've already created in your class and present them to students in a new way. If I go back to templates, here I can see some of the most common templates used, but I also have an option for more templates down here at the bottom. When I select this link, it takes me to all the types of templates that are available. I scroll down and find the templates that might be useful to me, such as making a portfolio or a blog. Today we're going to look at the student report. So when I select this template, Sway gets to work in creating a version of this template that I can then edit. To begin, choose Start Editing this Sway. Now Sway gives me a completely editable template that I can use as a reference. The first thing I'm going to want to do is take a look at my template to see the different formatting options that they've used, because this will give me some ideas for my presentation later. Now, I want to go ahead and title my report. Let's call this Mr. W's Report on Squirrels. Now that I have a title, I want to get to work on editing my template. So the first thing I may want to do is to review the background image that I have here, or I can take the text card and add my name and all of the information for my class. So this is a training session, and we're going to date this May 25th. Now that I have my title slide, I want to go ahead and put my first important section, and let's add a background image. So I select the image, and I can search the words that I put in here, first important section, to see what comes up. And this gives me a list of images that I can choose from. They may or may not be helpful. If not, I can find another option. But I'm going to grab the picture and drag it right into the area that I want on my template. And now that I have my image, I can go ahead and edit any of the text that I have in the card here. Or I could look at different formats like the quotation that you see in this area here, or the reference that I have on my text card. If I have a section I don't want, I can choose the trash can to delete the whole section. So let's go ahead and add a link. I highlight the word that I want, and it pulls up the display text, and then I have to add the link in. Let's make this something simple, like google.com. When I click OK, you can see this word now is a hyperlink. It's been underlined. And when I go to play to view my presentation, I see my intro slide, my information, the picture that I chose, and now the text that I can edit. And here's my hyperlink right here. I have an option when I'm viewing a Sway to trust all links in the Sway for this session. It's a security measure, but when I click OK, you can see it opens up the link right here without leaving Sway. So this is very helpful if you want to send students some information or a link, or if you want them to know how to insert a quote, or perhaps describe a picture or diagram that they've put here. They can use the template as a basis to learn how to add these things in and learn about the formatting so that they're better equipped to create their own presentations without using templates in the future.